Good morning. Tagalog o English? O Tagalog na lang. Mas kilala sa pangalan Bitag. Bitag is Ben Tulfo or Ben Bitag Tulfo. I'm a journalist by profession. It's been about 22 years na ginagawa namin yung community service. And I'm an executive of Bitag Media Unlimited Incorporated. The trade name is Bitag Multimedia Network. We've been in this kind of business for the last 22 years. So one of the things that we specialize is community service. We call it community service because we're not in the public service. Why community service? Because we're not public servant. We're in the fourth estate. And being in the fourth estate, we're supposed to be agnostic, which means our job is to tell the truth. Seek the truth and tell the truth, but then again, we realize after helping a lot of people for the last 22 years, they keep coming back. Broken system. In other words, you keep helping them, you're not solving the problem because our job is to tell the truth, seek the truth, and tell the truth. And so we decided to be advocate by being part of the solution to the problem. And that's all began, and that's the reason why we're here. And the reason is there's got to be change. Tama na yung tulong ng tulong para pabalik-balik, may problem sa sistema. Hindi natutugunan yung mga problemang idinudulog ng taong bayan. End.
2 minutes up. 8 minutes for Q&A. Tanong. Bonds? Yes. Rockler? Pakipasa po ng mic.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
The possibility of having 3 Tulfos in the Senate is not a long shot. So given that Senator Raffy is already there, what will make you a different Tulfo?
Well, you have to watch carefully. We are brothers. Isa lang doon dumadaloy sa ugat namin, ang public service. Because I have a different discipline. I'm an executive. I'm a communicator. I listen. Nakikinig ako, pinakikinggan ko. And FYI, we have solved a lot of problems through legislators who came to us and act like partner because we became their case study. And a lot of laws, and I don't want to talk about it, but if you want, we can have a long conversation some other time and we will present to you kung ano yung mga laws that passed because of those cases na kinuha ng legislatura, the lower house, and pumasa sa upper house. One of which is yung latest after the SONA na naging topic na ipinesenta ng Pangulo. And we're glad because sa baba yun. It's something to do with banking and the scamming, which we have a lot of those cases. Nakipagtulungan sa amin ng lower house. The chairman of the lower house, I think, sa banking was Congressman Erwin Cheng. And there are a lot of laws na gusto namin, kasi ito yung challenge namin, biometro, yung aming action center. A lot of you don't know that. So now, I'm introducing myself to you. This is another Tulfo. Do you have any question?
Okay, next question, please. John, inquiry.net.
So just to categorically confirm, sir, no, you're running for Senate, sir? Because it was not yet... is this for a Senate run, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Mayen, Philippine Star.
Yes,
Sir,
Mayan.
are you running as independent? And how would you address yung issue of political dynasty in the Senate?
Okay. Yes, I'm running as independent. As a matter of fact, there were a lot of invitations. I don't want to, name those parties with due respect. I was invited to join them, but I decided and think about it. And then I realized that I think we had a survey that says I'm better off running as independent. That's a data-driven. So I have to follow that. And that's the preference of the people, data-driven survey. So independent. Now, as to the question of dynasty, yes, we're dynasty in terms of helping people in the media first. We broke the record. We were the first brothers, the Tulfo brothers, the four of us. I'm sorry, modesty aside, we lorded over helping people. And sabay-sabay, kaming magkakapatid. And you know us, T3. So, is that dynasty? No, it's not. We don't have any district. Maybe on the executive level, you can say that, pag nag-gobernador ka or nag-mayor ka, because you have a district. But running for Senate, it's a national office. You cannot have dynasty. It's like saying, kasalanan ba namin kung nagguna na minahal namin ang aming propesyon sa media, na pareho kami ng aming inibig, binigyan ng importansya, parang pamilya ng mga lawyers. Everybody wants to be a lawyer because the daddy was a lawyer or the mom was a lawyer. So everybody called family lawyers. Sometimes a family of doctors, family of, engineers. Because of the influence of a member of the family, we decided to love the profession and respect the profession and value that particular profession. How do you call that a dynasty? It's not our fault. People are supposed to pick. But if you talk about political dynasty, that's another story. Let's put a definition. I think we need to have a longer conversation about it. Some other time, I'll give you the definition. I'll be more broad because we have a limited time. Did I answer the question?
Okay, thank you, sir. Another question for John.
Gusto niyo ba ng Tagalog or
Sir, English,
okay lang ba? English lang?
is fine, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Sir, did Senator Raffy, what's his reaction on your run? Did he, may blessing niya po ba itong pagtakbo niyo?
We brothers talk to each other. We understand each other. We kind of like share each other's wisdom. We help each other. Sometimes reality is we disagree with each other, but we're still brothers. So I don't need a permission of my younger brothers as to what my decision is. Decision is a pathway to destiny. That's make you who you are. But as far as courtesy, yeah, we talk. And yeah, he's got a thumbs up.
Last question, Ms.
Okay.
Mag Gonzalez, GMA 7.
Hi,
Yep.
sir. Good morning po.
Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
kung sakali po na tatlong tulfo nga po kayo na manalo sa na nasa Senado, would you be working independently, as in voting independently, or voting as a block, as brothers?
Let's put it this way.